Ever wished you could turn that awesome GitHub project into a standalone application? You can just double-click and run on Windows. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Convert GitHub source code into an Exe file. First, you'll want to navigate to the GitHub repository containing the source code you want to convert. Use the repository's address, usually a URL, to clone or download the project files locally onto your computer. You can generally download a zip file option. Next, figure out what programming language the project is written in. Different languages use different tools for it. For example, Python projects often require a tool to package code into an executable, whereas C code will probably use a compiler. These tools are usually available through the language's package manager. Make sure you have the language's proper tooling, like its compiler or packaging utility, installed on your Windows system. Now, you will be using the proper tools to perform the compilation or packaging. Locate the project's main file, often named something like mainp, or similar depending on the language. The next few steps vary if you know how to use, for example, a command prompt to run commands or build a program. You should be fine. This step generally involves using the necessary compiler or packaging program for the project's code to build the executable. Once the process is complete, you should now find an Exe file in the project's directory, whether it's in the same location, in a dist folder, or somewhere else, depending on the tooling you just used. Double-click this file. And congratulations, you've successfully converted GitHub source code into a runnable application.